Today's lesson is about the different moon phases, and to help me teach you all what the different phases are, we will be doing a moon project using Oreos. For the first phase, it is called the first quarter, also known as a half moon. And a half moon occurs when the moon is at a 90-degree angle from the Earth and the Sun, so it'll look like this. After the half moon, we will go to a waxing crescent. A waxing crescent is when the sunlit portion is less than half, so it'll look like this. From there, you will get a new moon. And a new moon is when the moon, the sun, and Earth are all three aligned. But this is when the sunlit portion is on the back side of the moon, so we cannot see it. And it'll look like this. From there, we have a waning crescent. And a waning crescent is basically the same thing as a waxing crescent. From there, you go to the third quarter, which is also known as a half moon. And as said earlier, this is when the moon is at a 90-degree angle from the Earth and the Sun. So it'll look like this. After the third quarter moon, you will have a waning gibbous, which is when the light continuously starts to decrease. So it'll look like this. After the waning gibbous, you could have a full moon, and a full moon is when the moon, the sun, and Earth are all aligned. But this side, the moon is on the opposite side of Earth, so we can see the illuminated part. So it'll look like this. The next phase is called a waxing gibbous, which is also like a waning gibbous. It is where the light is decreasing. All the phases depend on where they are in respect to the Earth and the Sun.